Older carpets can devalue a rental property if they look worn out and covered in stains. Looking new requires maintenance and cleaning. The problem is that carpets seem to suck in and hold onto dirt and odors. There could be dust, animal fur, dirt, spills, soil, and even stains from furniture placement. These can make a carpet look like it needs to be replaced. Luckily, there are tools to deep clean rental property carpets that otherwise are going in the trash. And today, I'm going to help you discover what those tools are. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. Today we're going to be talking all about carpets in your rental property. So carpets are the go-to flooring option for any landlord seeking to create and lease a warm, cozy, and homey feeling for their rental property. But as I mentioned, it can be hard to keep them clean. So let's dive in, starting with when should you hire a professional cleaning company? As a rental landlord, you probably experience high anxiety levels every time your rental units are empty. When an old tenant leaves, their security deposit is often not enough to cover significant renovations. If your apartment is beautifully maintained, your turnaround time between tenants should be low, thus ensuring you receive an income from your real estate investment. A big part of taking responsibility for maintaining an apartment is ensuring that your rental unit is clean and in good condition. Without furniture in the unit, a potential renter may focus on the walls and the floors, looking for any flaw or damages to bargain the price down. That could include something like a small carpet stain. Choosing to clean the carpets is a solution any landlord can offer. However, a professional cleaning company should be the go-to option between tenants. These companies have the tools and know how to deep clean and remove stains in the shortest possible time and safely without any damage to the carpet. But whether you hire a professional or not, there are three main ways to go about cleaning the carpet in a rental unit, all of which are using a method of extracting dirt from the carpet with a suction. A landlord's preferred option will be based on various factors, including their budget, the carpet's age, type of carpet stain, environmental concerns, and more. First, we'll cover commercial grade carpet cleaners, starting with hot water extraction. The Janet Link portable carpet extractor machine is a potent tool to use when you want to deep clean the rental property's carpets and get rid of debris, dust, and dirt. Hot water is an environmentally friendly option, and you can choose whether or not you want to add any cleaning agents or chemicals. Water is pushed into the carpets at high pressure, dislodging dirt, and then sucked back out with a strong vacuum. The final result is a reduction in odors and residue-free carpeting. The only downside, of course, is the price. Now, pro tip, don't confuse hot water extraction and steam cleaning. Though they are similar, hot water extraction uses less water and offers excellent results. It also reduces shrinkage or visible damage to the carpet. The next method is cold water extraction. When a rental landlord chooses to deep clean carpets themselves, cold water extraction is a safe and effective option. One tool that always gets the job done is the Clean Freak non-heated rug and carpet cleaning machine. From a health perspective, there's no need to worry about inhaling chemicals since there's no steam. Furthermore, drying time is cut down significantly, allowing the carpets to revert to its natural dry state faster. They use less power, making them more cost-effective too. A cold water extraction is a fantastic option if you're looking for a quick turnaround time. Pro tip, there is one primary instance when cold water extraction may be ineffective, and that is if there is a high soil load on the carpet. Cold water extraction is better suited to cleaning rather than deep stain removal. And our third option is dry extraction. Sometimes you don't need to deep clean the entire carpet. When focusing on just one small area, dry extraction is ideal. With dry extraction, a chemical-based cleaner in a dry or crystal form is sprinkled over the area that you want to clean. It acts by absorbing grime, grease, and dirt. After a set time, these crystals are vacuumed and all the dirt is extracted. This is an excellent heavy-duty option ideal for large spaces. It's also the most expensive on this list. So now let's get into affordable cleaning options. Preventative care should always be your first line of defense against new stains. The second step is finding products and tools to remove stains. Removing carpet stains requires stain removal solutions that can get through the dirt and eliminate it. If you do any cleaning yourself or hire your own cleaning crew, these items are a must. Stain protector. Scotchgard rug and carpet protector should be the first level of defense for any spills or stains on carpets. It protects carpets or rugs by creating an invisible layer of protection, making it easier to clean any spills when they happen. It can also be used together with the Scotchgard fabric water shield on expensive furniture, couches, curtains, and pillows. These two items are a must-have for costly carpets or furniture in your common areas. Vinegar and water. Putting together 1 part vinegar and 2 parts water creates a fantastic cleaning solution. The vinegar causes a natural chemical reaction that draws out the dirt from the carpet's fibers. It is best applied using a spray bottle to direct the solution towards the stained area. Once you spray onto the carpet, leave it for 30 seconds to a minute. Combined with hot water extraction, this solution can eliminate even the most stubborn stains, including a red wine stain. Another option is to vacuum. For common areas or units less than 4,500 square feet, I would recommend using the Dyson Cyclone V10 cordless vacuum. It lasts at least 45 minutes on a single charge and cleans exceptionally well. And the best part is that it's cordless. Convenience makes it so much easier to clean small messes more often. The Dyson may be overkill, but I highly recommend a cordless vacuum, at least for your common areas. And pro tip, buy the extended warranty or insurance protection from Amazon, Best Buy, Bed Bath & Beyond, Costco, or anywhere else with excellent protection or return policies. Another option is carpet wash cleaner. Instead of hiring a costly carpet cleaning company, you can try to do it yourself. An affordable carpet cleaning machine will thoroughly clean your carpets with a combination of water and soap. Use this Paws and Claws deep cleaning carpet shampoo with the Hoover Smart Wash carpet cleaner for great results. Now let's move on to how to remove smells from the carpet. Smells can be a real turnoff for any tenant, leading to discomfort and, in rare cases, illness. When carrying out a deep clean, begin the process by making use of baking soda. Sprinkling the baking soda over the entire carpet and lightly brush it in on the carpet using a brush or a broom. Once it's spread, allow the baking soda to stay in place for at least 36 hours. Finish off the process by vacuuming up the baking soda and finishing off with a cold or hot extraction. This solution should work with most odors, though sometimes a faint hint of the smell still lingers. For a total deep odor extraction, create a solution that includes 1 part isopropyl alcohol, 1 part vinegar, and 1 part carpet shampoo. Top this mix with water and use it with a hot water extractor or carpet steamer. Pro tip, add a few drops of essential oils into a deep odor extraction mixture, and in addition to getting rid of an offensive odor, you'll introduce a calm or fresh scent to the carpets. Excellent options are orange lemon or lavender essential oils. You can also use the ozone generator, which is an all-purpose mold and odor removal tool. Just make sure to vacate the area during and after the machine is on. Now let's talk buying versus renting a carpet cleaning machine. Finding ways to save money is always a priority for landlords or property managers. Buying a carpet cleaning machine allows you to get the job done yourself, saving you thousands of dollars in the long term. Although it takes away time from you or your staff, it's an excellent option for cleaning rental property carpets in multiple units. I would expect to spend up to around $3,000 on a top-of-the-line carpet cleaner. This usually makes sense if you have the time and the cleaning machine will be used regularly by you or your staff. Renting, on the other hand, allows you to get the very best carpet cleaner whenever needed. It's more affordable in the short run, but it's likely more expensive in the long run, depending on how often you need it. The primary benefit is you'll never need to worry about the machine breaking, since you can always just rent another one. Another great option is to rent different carpet cleaning machines a few times and then buy your favorite, now that you've compared all the options. In summary, it's ultimately up to you whether you choose to do it yourself and buy, or rent carpet cleaners, or hire a professional cleaning company. It all comes down to 3 main factors: time, money, and convenience. If you're cleaning carpets weekly in your rental properties, you may want to invest in a good carpet cleaning and train your staff how to use it. Otherwise, it may be best to bring in a pro every once in a while and not have to deal with it. Either way, regular maintenance and upkeep could extend the life of your carpets and keep them looking newer for longer. Before taking in your tenant, you should conduct detailed tenant screenings with background checks to ensure that they hopefully won't cause any trouble or damages to your beautifully cleaned carpets. And if they do, you might be able to charge them for cleaning or damages. That's it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more property management content. You can also check out this playlist for more tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!